Welcome to Cloud Realities. This is going to be a conversation show about what cloud-driven transformation really means for businesses and humans. I'm Dave Chapman. I'm the Chief Cloud Evangelist at Capgemini and have been working in cloud for the last 10 years at organizations like CloudReach and also at BP, where I established and ran BP's industry-changing cloud transformation program nearly 10 years ago or so now. Before that, I've got 20 years experience in IT transformation in roles like CIO and CTO in both private and public organizations.
And I'm CR000. I'm head of the Microsoft Cloud Center of Excellence in the Netherlands and Chief Architect at Capgemini. I'm a Microsoft Regional Director and an Azure and AI MVP. I'm now working with cloud technology for more than 10 years now in various roles, like development roles, architecture, and advisory roles.
Sounds good. So, Shalk, what are we going to be looking at?
We'll be looking at the realities of cloud-driven transformation and cloud-native living and working. We're going to talk to cloud leaders and practitioners to understand how new, previously untapped business value can be achieved and how to deal with the challenges and risks that come with bold ventures. We will also cover smart industry, customer experience, data and insight, cost, leadership, talent, and of course, tech.
We'll cover all the bases, we hope, and look at industry disruption. What does that really mean? And what are the dynamics that are going on within that? Or indeed, the changes to a person's leadership. What does that really mean to a person? And then, of course, as Shalk said, we will also look at the tech and how the tech influences change. Each week, we'll have an industry-leading guest. We'll look at the world through their eyes and understand the journey that they have been on, both in terms of the work that they've done and what, on a personal level, it has meant to them. I'm looking forward to getting those insights because I think that gives access to how this stuff is actually done. And then, of course, we'll look at what's innovating in the industry.
Each week, I will going to look into some new innovations that I find interesting to share with the listeners and to elaborate a bit on together.
Yeah, looking forward to that. Between us, this is a terrifying fact. When we were writing the script, we've got over 50 years of transformation experience. 50 years, half a century, Shal.
Yeah, that's extremely long. It made me feel like a dinosaur.
No, me too. It's like that having that number applied to you is like, it's weird.
Yeah. And you are really old, right?
Well, it seems so. I now feel it because I've written it down.
Yeah, and you typed it to me as well, so I felt it too.
Well, my pleasure. Glad to help. Anyway, so we're going to try and share some of our experience that we have collectively got the battle scars for. Our show is going to be out on Thursdays in time for your commute on a morning, so we hope that you will join us for that.
Is that UK commute time, Dave?
No, CET.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, so we'll catch European commute time, then the UK commute, and then various different commutes in the Americas and on around the world. Very much looking forward to that. We really hope you're going to join us. We'll see you in another reality then.